morning. We're out to monitor beautiful Long Lake. How big is this lake?
It's like 390 acres, something like that. Just short of 400 acres.
Okay. And why don't we do some introductions? You're Mark, a homeowner here
I'm the homeowner on the east side of the lake. I'm captain today.
Captain Mark. I love it.
I like his boat.
I love it. Okay. And Chuck, let's have an intro.
I'm Chuck Likus, and I'm with Sandy.
You're with Sandy. Okay. Hi, Sandy. Good morning.
Likus.
Yeah. And you guys have your Lake Lover t-shirts on. We'll talk about that in a minute. And Debbie.
And Debbie.
Awesome. All right. So back to you, Captain Mark. Do you know any history of the lake? How did it get formed?
Yeah, so my understanding is it's a glacial lake. The deepest spot is it's about 30, just short of 30 feet.
Okay.
Kind of in the middle.
All right. Let's go look at that middle.
And the inflow is Manitowoc Creek. We're part of a very large watershed.
Okay, so there's an inflow at Manitowoc.
Yeah, Manitowoc Creek.
Okay.
So there's a round lake drain which has an inflow, but Manitowoc Creek is where it flows in, and it's a large area through Lake County and Barrington.
Right.
So it's a very large watershed through old farmlands and so forth. And
Is there still any active farming going on in the watershed?
I think there is.
Yeah. What about golf courses?
I'm sure there are too. We talk
Yeah.
about that at times.
Right.
As you go around the lake, you'll see a lot of seawalls. A
Yeah.
lot of steel seawalls.
Okay. Fantastic. All right. And tell me a little bit about what you can do on the lake.
Yeah, there's no limits on the boats.
No limits. Okay.
So it's from a recreational standpoint. If skiers, people swim off the pontoon boats, fishing, of course.
Right.
So really fishing, water skiing, water sports. All the type of things you'd expect on the bigger lake.
Yeah. A lot of recreation.
A lot of recreation, yeah. And so there's been some talk that people would like some limitations on some of the bigger, boats, but there's no control of that. So,
Yeah.
People
And
wakeboard boats, things like
there's
that.
wakeboarding here too. Yeah. All right.
Very big waves.
Yeah.
And then the fishery, it's a very, and I'm a big fisherman, it's a very good fishery. They mostly bass fish, largemouth bass fish.
Okay.
And there's some nice bass. A lot of people panfish.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so there's a good variety. There's walleye that are in the lake.
Excellent.
It's a stocking program. So.
There's a stocking program. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, and the lake is Long Lake. It's kind of it's a zigzag. It's maybe like an S shape. And then the exit point of Manitowoc Creek flows into the chain of lakes. There's a dam there. You can get your boat across that dam via this lift system.
Okay.
And only people on this lake have access to it.
All right.
And another thing interesting about the lake is Grant Woods Forest Preserve. Kind of, it's around the corner up here to the right.
All right.
We touched the edge of the forest preserve. And there's a canoe launch there.
Who's overseeing the lake? Is there a lake team here
Yeah,
of homeowners, or how does that work?
It's LALISA, Long Lake Improvement and Sanitation Association. I think
Okay.
that's right.
Got an acronym. All right.
Yeah, and so there's there's board of directors, and they meet and they maintain the dam. There's people on the board that also are very interested in the water quality and involved in really things like the watershed.
Yeah.
Making sure that what the municipalities are doing, and their planning. So there's that, and then there's the Manitowoc Creek group as well.
Go ahead.
Yeah, so this is the lake. The inlet is down here on the kind of the southeast end, and so that.
And where are you? Where did we leave from?
We left from the east shore right here.
Yes, right.
And we're going towards the deepest spot of the lake is right here in the middle.
Where this little dot, right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then over here to the left is the exit point where Manitowoc Creek flows out into the chain of lakes.
Is, right?
Yes, yes. And so this is
where was the creek? Where's the input?
the input's down here.
Yeah.
Inlet,
Okay.
outlet. Grant Woods Forest Preserve is over this way.
here.
Yep.
And so, Sandy, tell me why you joined Lake Lovers, and how did you happen to get yourself out here on Mark's boat monitoring Long Lake? Do you live on Long Lake?
No, I don't.
You don't live on Long Lake, okay?
We used to live on Loch Lomond, and when I had talked to Mary
Mary
about
Eggert.
living on the lake, she was like, "Oh, I bet you want to be on the lake long."
Yeah, she's quite the organizer. She knows how to grab people.
Yeah, so Mary helped recruit all of you, right, to get involved. Okay. Now in Lake Lovers, you can just like come to a meeting on Zoom once a month, right? How did you find yourselves in t-shirts learning how to use this really sophisticated water monitoring equipment to come out here and help monitor Long Lake? Sandy.
It's still a learning process, but I'm going there.
I love that.
We're doing it every week, learning something new, and it's
Yeah.
very interesting. Yeah,
love
we've
that.
enjoyed it.
Love it. And Debbie, how about you?
Same. Mary told us it was easy. We took her word on that one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So you took the training, you learned how to use the xylem equipment.
And like Sandy, we're learning every time we do it too.
Right.
Right. So in other words, you don't have to be like a PhD expert to be able to do this. Okay. How about you, Chuck? Any thoughts? What's it been like to come out here and monitor?
It's very enjoyable. I feel that you know, we're really hoping there to make a difference, and I think that's what's important to me.
So I think this is really unique here because, as you would probably agree, Mark, right? We've got 3 volunteers, none of whom live in this community or on this lake. So you're lakeless, but you care about the bigger mission, and you've helped to join forces with Captain Mark so that we can better understand what's happening in this lake here at the deepest point, to understand how healthy is the lake, how able is it to support the ecosystem here in the lake, and how might we use that information to influence decision makers to make things better.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, that's you know, that was one thing that surprised me when I said, okay, I'll be the boat person. And
The
there's
boat
people that
person.
they don't even live in the lake, and they care about what they're doing for the other lakes. I mean, there's a network of lakes that are being tested,
We all
and
live
so
in the
it's,
same community, right?
and it's
Yeah.
that's super nice.
It is super nice.
And I can tell you, you know, the groups that are the 2 groups that are involved in this lake, you know, they also care about the broader, you know, the watershed,
Right.
Not just this lake as well. So.
Right. There it goes. Doo doo doo.
Yeah, it's still going. Like it's still.
Uh-huh.
It's right
A little under 7?
Yeah, it was right here.
Okay, what's that measurement?
6'9", whatever. It was right
6'9". Okay. Okay, we just got a Secchi reading of a little under 7 feet, 6 feet 9 inches. And Mark, what were you saying the last time we did it? 2 weeks ago?
What do we call it, 10 feet?
there. I thought it was 10
About 10
feet.
feet less.
So
Yeah, its temp is what, 76?
76.
Okay.
DO?
DO is 100.
DO, or dissolved oxygen.
Yeah, so the watershed is 24,000 acres.
Wow, that's big. Okay.
Yeah,
And remind me again the size of the lake compared to the watershed.
yeah, it's just under 400 acres, so I think it's like 380.
And then you hoist up a tube of water at the proper depth. Let's see. What do we
Looks
have
pretty
here?
clear. We always like,
It looks very clear.
I
Look
know.
at that. You know, what's it like to be in Lake Lovers? Sandy, any closing thoughts?
Oh yeah, it's fun. You're learning a lot.
Yeah. Love it. Debbie?
Yeah, it's something I never imagined I'd be doing, but I'm trying to keep those beaches open for the grandkids.
Yeah.
Is my goal.
I love it. Chuck, how about you?
It's great. It's a great feeling. It's a great experience.
Well, this wouldn't be possible without you. And this takes your time too. And Lake Lovers is all about collaborating.
Yep,
Like, what can we do together?